If you're creating content online in any fashion, having a newsletter is one of the smartest investments you can make. Start today, too. Don't delay it, because in a year from now, you could be looking back and saying, oh, I wish I had started a newsletter. I could have 10,000 subscribers by now. You don't want to be in that position. So as soon as you get started, set up a way to be able to capture email subscribers and let people know when you publish something new on your blog, on your YouTube channel. It's pretty simple. And I use ConvertKit for this. They have a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers on your email list. And there's a link below this video in the description where you can sign up for their free plan, check it out, see if it's the right fit for you. But I've been using ConvertKit for over 6 years now, and I love it. It's a great way for me to stay in touch with everyone who subscribes to my blog. But today, I want to talk about how to handle email newsletter rejection. What do you do when you get a reply to one of your newsletters and there's a bunch of starred asterisk 4-letter words in there? I've gotten this a lot over the years. I've been doing this now for over a decade, and sometimes you're just going to catch people on an off day. And the biggest piece of advice I can give you is to not take it personally. If you send an email out to your list and it's promoting a recent blog post or video you did, then you get some reply where someone is randomly mad, or maybe they're like, hey, how did I get on your email list? This is spam. But you know that you're not sending emails to people that you haven't opted into your list already. That's the kind of situation that used to really drive me crazy back when I first started. I would get all unsettled inside. I'd feel like I did something wrong. But really, at the end of the day, whenever someone replies with an angry email to your newsletter, it's more about them than it is about you. Especially if you're just sending out new content that's related to what they already signed up for and opted in for. And another form of rejection is unsubscribes. But here's the reality. When you're operating a newsletter, people are gonna come and go. They're gonna get what they wanted from you, and then they're gonna move on with their lives. And that's okay, because think about this behavior yourself. How many newsletters have you been subscribed to for 5 or 10 years, right? These things come and go. And so don't take it personally. When someone unsubscribes from your newsletter, it's because they're simply moving on. And maybe they'll be back, but ultimately, when someone unsubscribes, they were never going to connect and deepen a relationship with you or convert into some sort of revenue activity for you anyway. And more than anything, just remember, it's not personal. So if you like this video, then I think you're gonna really like this one right here. So thank you for watching.